Hi, my name is Erin Arrington. Today I'm going to be talking about Applied Behavior Analysis, or ABA. What is ABA? ABA is the systematic implementation of the principles of behavior analysis to bring about socially significant behavior change and skill acquisition. ABA involves behavior modification and skill acquisition. Behavior modification involves reducing or eliminating undesirable behavior. It also involves teaching and increasing alternative or target behaviors that are desirable or more socially acceptable. Skill acquisition might involve a task analysis, which would include breaking skills down into component skills taught individually. Could also include shaping, prompting, error correction, etc. ABCs. Behavior analysts believe that antecedents, what happens before a behavior, and consequences, what happens after the behavior, to behaviors can be analyzed to identify the function of the behavior and then manipulated to bring about behavior change. ABA relies heavily upon the principle of reinforcement. Reinforcement occurs when a consequence that follows a behavior increases the likelihood that the behavior will occur again in the future. Reinforcement of successive approximations towards a target behavior shaping is often used in skill acquisition in ABA. There are many applications of ABA. It can be applied to any population or environment. Some examples of the applications of ABA might include the treatment of autism, organizational behavior management, rehabilitation, corrections, education, and health and wellness. Thanks for watching my presentation on applied behavior analysis.